on stage. సో ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్ విన్నర్స్ కి 15,000 బహుమతిగా ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది మన డిగ్నిటరీస్ చేతుల మీదుగా. సో కంగ్రాచులేటింగ్ ఆల్ ద డిగ్నిటరీస్ ఫ్రమ్ ఓపెన్, veteran and senior veteran category. Ladies and gentlemen, show up some energy. Put your hands together. Welcoming second prize winners, Mr. C. Nikhil, bib number 10361 on stage from open category, and welcoming P. Shivaji, bib number 10133 from veteran category on stage, and welcoming Samir Koyala, bib number 10155 senior veteran category on stage. So second prize winners ki 10,000 రూపాయలు బహుమతిగా ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. Congratulations all the second prize winners. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for all the runners here on stage. So runners ki prize distribute చేయాల్సిందిగా మన డిగ్నిటరీస్ ని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. So runners are Shivaji P from veteran category, Samir Koyala from senior veteran category, and C. Nikhil from open category. Now welcoming the participants who are going to receive third prize. So from open category, welcoming Prashant, bib number 10618. Please join us on stage. Please move forward. And welcoming Pranab Biswas from veteran category, bib number 10385. Please join us on stage, Mr. Pranab Biswas. Hearty welcome. And welcoming Mr. Gollaru Addu, bib number 10190 from senior veteran category. Hearty welcome. Congratulating all the third prize winners. Show some energy. Put your hands together to congratulate third prize winners, please. Andru gatiga chappatlu. Now let's welcome women on stage. Open women category, Lanka Mary Grace Garu, bib number 10239. Please join us on stage. And welcoming Prem Kushub Chauhan, bib number 10531 from veteran women category. Hearty welcome. And welcoming Radhika Koniru, senior veteran women category. Hearty welcome. So these are the winners. Congratulate them with huge round of applause, please. Now I'm going to welcome women runners. From Open Women category, I would like to invite Miss Soumya on stage, bib number 10203. Hearty welcome. And I would like to call upon Premalata Rathore from Veteran Women category. Hearty welcome. Bib number 10320. Premalata Rathore, please join us on stage. Now welcoming Harman Kaur, bib number 10314 from Senior Veteran Women category. Hearty welcome. Congratulate all the runners with huge round of applause. Congratulations, Harmeet Kaur from Senior Veteran Women category. సో సెకండ్ రన్నర్స్కి 10,000 రూపాయలు బహుమతిగా అందజేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అలానే థర్డ్ ప్రైజ్ విన్నర్స్కి 8,000 రూపాయలు బహుమతిగా అందజేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ ద విమెన్ హూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు రిసీవ్ థర్డ్ ప్రైజ్. From Open category, welcoming B. Tejasri, bib number 10607 on stage. Hearty welcome. And I would like to call upon Dilip Imanna from Veteran Women category, bib number 10270. Hearty welcome. And welcoming T. Jyoti, bib number 10026, Senior Veteran Women category. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to congratulate all the winners and runners. So congratulate second runners on stage with huge round of applause, please. So once again, I'm repeating the winners and runners. Okay, we have Tejasvi on stage. Congratulations. So, from men, open category, Mr. Ramesh, Nikhil, Prashant. And from veteran category, Linganna, Majkanti, Shivaji P, Pranab Biswas. Senior veteran category, Deepak Sinha, Samir Koyala, Gola Radu. From open women category, winners and runners are Lanka Mercy Grace, Soumya and Tejasri. From veteran women category, Kushab Chauhan, Premalata Rathore, Dilip Nimanna. From senior veteran category, T. Jyoti, congratulations. Senior veteran women category, T. Jyoti, second runner. Congratulations. She's going to receive 8,000 rupees. From senior veteran category, welcoming Mr. Deepak Sinha. Congratulations. He's a winner from senior veteran category. He's going to receive 15,000 rupees. So welcoming Mr. P. Shivaji, runner from veteran category. Congratulations, Mr. P. Shivaji, bib number 10133, and he's going to receive 10,000 rupees. Congratulations. Congratulations, P. Shivaji from veteran category. He's a runner-up from veteran category. So, now welcoming runner from senior veteran category, Samir Koyala. Congratulations, and he is going to receive 10,000 rupees. Ladies and gentlemen, once again put your hands together, please. Yes, we have on stage Mr. Samir Koyala from senior veteran category. He is a runner-up from senior veteran category. Now welcoming second runner-up from veteran category, Mr. Pranab Biswas. Please come forward and congratulations. He's going to receive third prize of 8,000 rupees. Yes, we have on stage Mr. Pranab Biswas. So now welcoming Gollaru Addu from senior veteran category. He is second runner-up. Congratulations, and he's going to receive 8,000 rupees. Gollaru Addu garu, congratulations. He's a second runner-up from senior veteran category.